welcome back. This is we're in for another episode. Yay, go us and every bored person out there, because it's probably the only reason you watch my channel is just because you're absolutely bored. So, you know what? Hey, stick around, and if you like what you see, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the little thumbs up for me, and we'll go from there. Just because you're bored and you want to keep seeing more random crap. But anyways, for this video, and I had some trouble acquiring this because I live in the middle of nowhere and you can really see the glare of my light and my glasses, but oh well. But I live in the middle of nowhere, and so they went to deliver it to my house. Since I was at work, they had to take it to the next local pickup spot, which is very far away from my house, but not far from my work. But I got off at 8 and they wanted me to be there by 8 to pick it up, so I'm like, I don't know how I'm gonna get this. Thankfully I only got there 30 minutes behind when they wanted me to pick it up, and they still let me get it, so I was like, yay. But either way, this is why I don't get these regularly, because it's a nightmare. But anyways, I'll stop rambling, and I have our spooky box club, and it's backwards in the camera, at least it looks backwards. I'll try to turn that around. But yes, and I got our Season of the Witch. This is box number 48. See all the loveliness there. But now I did get a little spoiled on this box. Like, there was a little spoiler on Instagram. I tried not to look at it, but I was wondering what it was, and then I found out it was something out of this box. I'm like, crap. So I know one thing that is in here at least. So I'm sorry, but this is my first time reading. Now, the first initial things of this box is it does feel kind of light, but there does sound like there's kind of a lot in here. So let's go ahead and open this up, and voila, there is everything inside the box. So let's see here, and of course this is our little spoiler card, so I'll save that for the end as always. And see, the first thing I'm gonna pull out is love hearts. I don't know what love hearts are. I'm in the US and we don't really have these that I know of. At least I don't eat that much candy, so I'm not really entirely sure. But they look like, we have sweet tarts. That's what they look like. They look like sweet tarts. So, and I don't really like sweet tarts, so let's give these a little taste. Yeah, they're like sweet tart. And they have little sayings on them. This must be a UK thing, because we don't, yeah, this is a UK thing, because we don't have these, at least not that I know of, and if I'm wrong, correct me down in the comments, but I don't think we have these in years. Oh, these are a little bit better. They're sour. At least that one was sour. Oh. Okay, I might actually eat these because I can't stand sweet tarts. So, next, let's see here. Here's a little box with something rambling around inside. Oh my god. Oh my god. These are adorable. Okay, these are really cute, and I'm gonna make a really bad joke, but I find these to be a bit humorous. Get it? Anyways, there's some little bone. If y'all can really see those, the camera don't want to focus. Come on. They're like some little bone earrings. Oh, these are adorable. What is how do you hold them? Okay, so I don't know if I'll be able to wear these, because I have my ears gauged. I have 0 gauges, but then I have my second hole, so maybe in my second holes. Because I have been pretty much living in the bat ones we got in the Going Batty box, and the little necklace I got in that. I wear these constantly. These are my go-to pieces, so I'm hoping I might be able to incorporate these. See if we can get a better look at that. So here's what they look like. Now, I'm not sure if this is the actual humerus or if it's a femur. I think that's where your knee goes. I could be wrong. Yeah, I think that's where your knee goes. I don't know. I can't tell on an earring. I can pretty much pick it out on the human body, but I can't tell on an earring. So, okay. So there's our first piece of jewelry for this box, and it's already amazing. So, high hopes. High hopes. Woo. Let's see, now here is our pen. This says live dangerously. So that is the pen that we got. I still don't know what to do with the other pens that I have, because right now they're just kind of in an undisclosed location in my art room. So I gotta figure out what to do with these pens. I've been thinking about doing a craft video of making like some kind of jacket, so I might incorporate some of these pens onto that, or maybe like a bag or something. I don't know. But it's really cute. It's kind of heavy too. I like a heavy pen. So, and then it's got a ram on it, which is funny because I drive a ram. So, haha, inside joke for me. But oh, and here is our little thank you card. It's really cute. It's got some bats and not bats. What is a bat? It's got a little ghosty on it and a pumpkin. So that is freaking adorable. I love the little bats on it. See here, and here is our sucker. What? Now this is our sucker. It's like a heart shaped. I don't see the flavor on that though, so I have to give this a little try later. Oh no, this is pretty. Oh, this is pretty. This is so cute. I might actually have to change out my necklaces now. I don't like layering too many necklaces, but here it is. It's in its little pouch, and there is in its little pouch. Let's take this out. Yay! I love getting their jewelry. And the good thing I do like about Spooky Box is I can pick and choose what box. I don't have to stay subscribed monthly, but I just kind of have to keep checking the website to see if it is something that I would be interested in getting. But here is our necklace that, oh, that is super cute. And it's kind of like a thick, I don't know if you can really see it, kind of like a thick moon. Well, it's thick and then tapers, kind of reminds me of like a bowl, like a horn or something, or you know, some of the tapered gauges, kind of what it reminds me of. But it's on a fairly decent chain, and then it has a little extender. I don't know how well you can see that. It has a little extender chain on it, so that is cute. And then on the back it just says SBC right there. I'm assuming it stands for Spooky Box Club, but this, I'm gonna have to put this on now. This is cute. Oh my god, and I've been wanting another moon necklace for ages, so here we go. Oh, look at it. Oh, that's so cute. And it kind of goes with the bat too. I might be layering these from now on. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, now, this is the item that I got spoiled, and I don't really want to touch it, but here it is. It's cute. It's just, anybody that's a frequent to this channel knows I don't like spiders. And this has a big spider print on it. I mean, it's cute, don't get me wrong, it's super, super cute. And it would be so much better without the big, nasty, 8-legged spider on it. I don't like spiders. I might have to figure out either, I'm either probably gonna have to sell this or see if my friend Taylor, she has a heat press machine and a circuit cutter. Might see if maybe she can cover the spider up because it's really cute. Just not for me. I can't. But let me take this out and avoid touching that. But and it says Spooky Box on it, and it's kind of a thick material, and I don't know if this is a makeup bag or if like it's a pencil, you know, little pencil bag or something, but it's pretty thick. And there's the actual print, if you can see it better, and on it it says, just like the moon, I go through phases, which I do that a lot. So, and I've kind of been alternating through a few phases right now, so mainly with my artwork and stuff, and when I write. And then the inside is just a nice flex lining. So it's a cute bag, and it's gonna be kind of big, but I can't. Spiders, man, spiders. Okay, and there's one kind of big item in here. Okay, there we go. This is a really big item. Let me put the box down. Oh, this is super cute and free of spiders. There is no spiders on here. Oh my goodness, I can't do spiders. But here it is. Okay, and this is the same kind of decal, or like the silvery decal as the other one. Sorry, that was making a lot of noise. But it feels like some kind of bag, you know, like a little shopping bag or something. And it smells like vinegar, but that's probably just from the process of making the bag. But yeah, it's pretty big. Or, you know, you could use this like maybe a little travel bag as well. But there's the inside. And or like for me, I carry my laptop and stuff in my purse sometimes, so I might use this more than my other bag that I have. But yeah, there is the print. I like this so much better without the spiders. And it says the same quote on it. It says just like the moon, I got the phases. So that is super, super cute. And this will actually get used a lot. I love these kind of bags, especially when I go shopping, because, you know, try to save the environment a little bit, one plastic bag at a time. Now there's only one more item in here, and it's really, I think it's really cute. I don't think I got a print in my last one, so this is a print. This is definitely a print. But it just says the moon on it, and it's got the moon with some spooky looking trees and some bones, and then at the top it says, what is that, 18? 10, 5, yeah, that's 18. So if you're not familiar with your Roman numerals. But yeah, it kind of looks like a tarot card, so I'm gonna have to get like a little frame and put this up somewhere in my room because that is super cute. So let's read our little cheat sheet card. Make sure we got everything. So see here. Custom made witch moon phase tote bag, yes. Custom made spider floral pouch, yes. Custom made live dangerously enamel pin, yes. Custom made crescent moon necklace, yes. Love this so much. Custom made the moon tarot card art print, yes. Custom made dangling bone earrings, yes. And love hearts candy, which is suitable for vegetarians, so yes. Although I don't see the sucker on here, but hey, you know what, she can't list everything. So that is everything we got. I absolutely love the necklace, the earrings, and the print, along with the bag. I might put the pin on the bag, actually. Maybe I can put all my pins on this bag. But all in all, for this box, it's really, really good. I love it, except for the spider. I don't spiders. I really don't. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this little unboxing. I love getting these, but I only really buy the ones that I like. Plus, it is such a hassle getting them to my house, so that's why another reason I don't get them every month, because she has a spot for you to get them every month, and then she has a spot for you to just buy them one at a time. But you do have to kind of watch the site and get like little notifications and stuff to make sure you get a box that you actually like the next one that's coming out. I don't like it, so I'm not gonna order. I think there's been 2 boxes like that, so I like doing it like this a lot better. But anyways, I have rambled on for far too long, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments if y'all got this or if you liked some of the items, and I will see y'all next time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.